Hi, this is Mrs. Finnegan, and we're going to look at the last problem in our exam review, problem number 64, where we're going to use the sum or difference identity to find the sine, cosine, or tangent of an angle that is not directly on the unit circle. But we are, however, going to use the unit circle to find those values. And we do that by rewriting the angle that we're given as either the sum or difference of angles that we do have on the unit circle. So for instance, 105 can be rewritten as the sum of 60 and 45. Or it could be rewritten as the difference of 150 minus 45. I'm going to choose to do the sum for this one. So if I apply the sum identity, it's the sine of 60 plus 45. Now I can substitute that in with the identity, which you can see is here in the blue, sine alpha times cosine beta plus cosine alpha times sine beta. Notice that when I'm in sine, whatever operation you're performing in the parentheses is the same one that you're performing in the identity. So alpha is 60, beta is 45. I'm going to plug those in, and now I can replace those with my coordinate points along the unit circle. Since both of these angles are in quadrant 1, 60 and 45, all of my ratios are positive. So square root of 3 over 2 times the square root of 2 over 2 plus 1/2 times the square root of 2 over 2. I can simplify this now and multiply these two fractions together to give me square root of 6 over 4 plus the square root of 2 over 4. Since they have a common denominator, I can combine it into a single fraction, which would be square root of 2 plus the square root of 6 over 4. So this would be the answer for sine of 105. Now let's look at the cosine of 255. There are several ways to get this. You could add together 210 plus 45. I want to do a difference this time, so I'm going to do 310 minus 45. So you can see here I have 310 minus 45 degrees. It is important when you're doing a difference which angle goes first to make sure that you get exactly the angle we want here. So 310 minus 45, 310 is going to be my alpha angle, 45 is going to be my beta. So now I'm going to replace the original cosine of the difference with its identity. Notice on cosine we're going to multiply the cosine of the two angles together, and then we're going to multiply the two sines together. And notice the operation now is opposite of whatever we have in our parentheses. So since we're finding the difference, we're actually going to add in our identity. So I'm going to replace alpha and beta into the identity. Okay, so when I plug in the ratios, I get 1/2 times square root of 2 over 2 plus sine of 310 is in quadrant 4, so y is negative. So it's negative square root of 3 over 2 times the square root of 2 over 2. So let's multiply those fractions together. Square root of 2 over 4 minus square root of 6 over 4. And when we simplify it, it's going to become square root of 2 minus the square root of 6 over 4. Good luck on your final. I hope you do your best.